Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on a chair in an upright position. Keep your hands on your thighs. Now reach with one arm overhead and lean to the side to stretch your core. Return to the start position and repeat.
Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed.
20 seconds.
Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my pay.
10 seconds.
It's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this.
3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on the edge of a chair and hold the seat for better support. Now extend and flex your knees. Make sure you keep your upper body upright. Do not lean back.
Put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grade 16.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a street.
Next exercise.
Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on the edge of the chair and hold the seat for better support. Now lift your knees up towards your chest and lower them down to the left side. Next, bring them back to your chest and lower them toward the right. Alternate. Keep them off the floor throughout the exercise.
Take 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots.
20 seconds.
I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place.
10 seconds.
I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup.
Next exercise.
We're all adequate.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on a chair. Raise your arms overhead and stretch them to the side. Place your legs in a wide stance. Now reach with one arm toward the opposite foot and rotate your core. Return to the start position and repeat the same on the other side. Alternate.
So I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to.
20 seconds.
6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling
10 seconds.
till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots.
Next exercise.
I think I'm going crazy.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sit on the chair and raise your arms overhead. Now lift one knee toward the chest, bring the opposite arm down and tap the knee. At the same time, bring the other arm down to the side. Return to the start position and repeat the same with the other leg.
if I want it. Gotta make
20 seconds.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
Yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something,
10
I do
seconds.
what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to
3, 2, 1, rest.
Bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized.
Next exercise.
Nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Fuck the game up. Change.
Sit on the chair and bend your elbows behind your head. Now bring the opposite knee and elbow together, rotating at your core. Return to the start position and repeat the same on the other side. Alternate.
Going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
20 seconds.
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying.
10 seconds.
They hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy.
3, 2, 1, rest.
We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do
Last exercise.
if you got no time, work smarter than
3, 2, 1, go.
Sit on a chair with your arms bent at your side, slightly lean back. Now imitate running without touching the floor. Move your arms by the side like you would when running.
I won't give up till I'm on top. Yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yeah.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Workout complete. Well done.